Spring is right around the corner, and this is when allergies start to disrupt my life. So come with me to my first appointment with an allergist at ENT and Allergy Associates, because the sneezing and dry eyes have got to go. They have board-certified specialists for all ages, and Dr. Omar explained you can get results same day and you can start working towards a treatment plan. I did a skin test, but other allergies that they test for are environmental, food and medication, and asthma. So get a head start today on booking an appointment, because they have convenient locations across New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Texas, so you can enjoy this weather with no problems.